This is the second video in our 5-part series, Remark Test Grading Edition to Designer. In this video, we demonstrate how to add and modify the header and footer sections of a customized answer sheet using the Designer feature in Remark Test Grading Edition 2. The header is where you can control what appears at the top of your answer sheet. To modify the header, click on this drop-down caret and click on the section below, or click on the pencil icon. If I just press Update without making any other changes to the header, note that the student name, test name, class, and instructor are automatically added to the header. These will appear on subsequent pages as well if your form is multiple pages long. With the header, we also have the option to add a student ID region and instructions on how to properly fill in bubbles if we have OMR type questions. To add these features, we can go back and edit the header. The option to show instructions on how to properly mark bubbles gives correct and incorrect examples on how to fill in bubbles. With the student ID region, we need to choose an orientation. Horizontal orientation puts each digit of the student's ID in its own row. Vertical puts each digit in its own column. Note that with horizontal orientation, the maximum student ID length is 15 digits. With vertical orientation, the maximum is 10 digits. Note that if I try to go above the allowable threshold, the software will not allow me to update the section. Click on Update. As you can see, the student ID region and the instructions on how to properly fill in bubbles were added to the top of the page. Even if your answer sheet is multiple pages long, these will only appear on the first page. The footer is where we control what appears at the bottom of our answer sheet. To edit the footer, click on the drop-down caret and click on the Here button, or click on the pencil icon. We have the option to add center text and right text to our footer. Click on Update. As you can see, the text that we typed in showed up in the Footer tab, and it also appears at the bottom of our answer sheet. It will appear at the bottom of subsequent pages as well if your answer sheet is multiple pages long. In this video, we explained how to customize the header and footer of your answer sheet with the Remark Test Grading Edition to Designer feature. Look for our other videos in this series, Remark Test Grading Edition to Designer, to learn how to add and customize different types of questions within the answer sheet designer.